Need more rumble out of your 2015 to 2019 Corvette? How about a little more horsepower, a little less weight, and increased flow? Well, Corsa has a solution that you've been looking for. This is the Corsa 14777 axle back exhaust system. Not only will we be taking a closer look what it'll do, but we're gonna give you a full installation tutorial as well. So hang out with us if your Corvette needs this upgrade. Hey, what's up? My name is Josh. I'm with Breakers Stereo and Performance. Welcome to the YouTube channel that reviews, demos, and goes over the latest in aftermarket automotive accessories like car audio, performance, suspension, and more, because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us where stock just doesn't cut it, then join the Breakers Upgrade Nation by subscribing to this channel. All right, so this Corsa system is designed specifically for the 2015 to 2019 Corvette C7 Z06 6.2 liter. Now this system is designed to retain the active valve NPP system available in either chrome or black tips. The tube in diameter is 2 1/4 and the quad tip opening is 4 1/2. So this is the high performance sport to extreme, and this has a distinct rumble at idle. 17 dB total volume change. Now you have progressive sounds throughout the gear range, and one really nice thing about this is Corsa built this in with their RSC technology, so there is no cruising drone. Great for those long trips on the highway. Now compared to the original exhaust system, this will give you 4 more horsepower, a plus 23 flow increase, and it weighs a little less, about 4 pounds less than the original. Now this is a complete bolt-on solution, so if you and one of your buddies want to tackle this together, it's not too tough to do. Okay, so make note, the vehicle we were working on already had the Corsa X-Pipe installed, and we just installed the axle back from there. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial, but first let's take a look at the components. If you're interested in this product or the X-Pipe, there are links in the description below taking you directly to each product page. Now remember, we do have financing available. Simply add to cart, pick a financing option, get approved, and we'll send your gear out to you ASAP. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and also subscribe button. Again, my name is Josh with Breaker Stereo on Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.